Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to farm Meeb tokens on Meeb Master and boost your farming with your NFT Meebs. In case you are wondering how to buy Meeb tokens, see video description for the separate video tutorial. Alright, make sure you're on MetaMask browser and Meeb Master web app, which is app.meebmaster.com. Click here to connect your wallet and make sure you're under Matic chain. Right now, you can see my deposit value, which is worth $488.48, and my pending to harvest is 1.3075 Meebs. When you scroll down, you will see available pools to stake your tokens to earn Meeb tokens. They have here Meeb/USDC, Meeb/ETH, Meeb/Matic liquidity pool, and so on. You can also just stake your tokens like PLX, SDS, and TAP tokens, which I did. By the way, just a friendly reminder, please be aware of impermanent loss. Impermanent loss refers to a temporary loss caused to a liquidity provider due to the volatility in a trading pair. These liquidity protocols enable essentially anyone with funds to become a market maker and earn trading fees. For example, with my PLX liquidity, I actually have 71,000 PLX tokens, but when I put it on this liquidity pool, it becomes 67.8 thousand PLX only. So from $527 in value that time, it becomes $500 worth of tokens. That's the impermanent loss. It may go up and down depending on market volatility, but it's okay. I plan to stake it long term to farm more Meebs. Right now, the APR for this pool is 321%, which is high. I also stake token play or top tokens. I also experienced impermanent loss, which is around $24 from that time of staking. But since its APR is 554%, then I should be able to earn it back within a week. Let me show you how I've staked my tokens to farm Meeb tokens. Click this drop down, then tap on Approve. Click Gas Fee and Edit. You can increase gas fee for higher approval rate. Click Approve. You can go back to your wallet, tap Matic token, and speed up your latest transaction. Great, it's completed and approved. Once approved, go back to that liquidity pool and you will see deposit button. That means it's activated and ready for staking. Let me stake now my top tokens. Click Deposit. Edit gas fee to 100 for better approval rate. Hit Confirm. To make sure you get all your staking reward, make sure you have Meeb NFT staked. To do it, just click Stake. Make sure to edit gas fee to 100 for faster approval. Awesome, it's staked. After 3 days, here's my staking reward. It's very profitable right now as there are only few people staking on these liquidity pools, even with small amount of staking. By the way, big shout out to my first YouTube member, CoinPlay. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, that's how you farm Meeb tokens on Meeb Master. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you on my next video.